subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The Honor 10 is finally set to become official. Following a few days of intensive leaks, this will be the Huawei sub-brand's new top-of-the-line device, complementing the bigger Honor View 10 in its roster. One thing that hasn't been outed so far is how much the Honor 10 is going to cost. Yet, thankfully, a new rumor from China covers that aspect alongside the phone's release date. The Honor 10 is expected to go on sale in mainland on April 27 at 10:08 am local time. You will have three versions to choose from. The entry-level model supports 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage that cost for 2,699 Chinese yuan, which translates to $430 or 347 euros at the current exchange rates. The middle option gives you 2 additional gigs of RAM for 2,999 Chinese yuan that translates to $477 or 387 euros, while the top spec model comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which priced at 3,599 Chinese yuan that translates to $573 or 462 euros. The Honor 10's unveiling for international markets will take place in London on May 15. The Honor 10 boasts a 5.84-inch LCD display with a notch. It comes with a glass on both the front and the back panel with a metal frame. The fingerprint scanner is on the front and has a dual rear camera setup with 16+24 megapixel resolution. It is going to be powered by the Kirin 970 chipset with AI built in and has a 3320 mAh non-removable battery that keeps the lights on. So what do you guys think of the Honor 10? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.